Hi.
It is very hot.
Oh yeah, you're right out in the sun over here.
What a cutie.
Yeah, he had my tree cut down, and so then I get the sun.
I know, they don't think about that, do they? They probably didn't cut it when it was bright sun. They cut it when it was...
Right.
They didn't think about it. Oh.
Lego Minecraft.
Go plan another one while I have it.
Yeah.
Now those are all there. You can have it for 8.
Okay.
I counted them. They're all like.
Oh man, you're on top of it.
Yeah. Some more rubber duckies.
Yeah.
Oh, what's this? This is so little. All kinds of weird stuff.
Yeah, look at this.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm scared to touch this one.
Put it over here in the shade until we're going to get it.
Yeah,
Let the box cool off a
you
little
want to
bit.
know where I put it all together. I said, no, but it's all there. Even with puzzles, anything I get before I sell it, I count, making sure it's
When we buy
all
puzzles,
there.
we do the same thing. We put them together first and then make sure they're all
LED.
You know, it's like, I always say people know where I live.
Where's Toyota? What's this?
Oh yeah, I don't know. Is it a...
Wiper blades.
Yeah, I don't know anything.
Oh, that's hot.
Think it's worth it?
It's $5.
Okay. Those are.
Whew. What? That's hot.
Think about it. She got her stuff
shade.
organized.
Very organized. Ooh. What?
Well, that's nice.
I'm done.
Okay, we can go in, I guess. This one's marked 4, but I'm going to leave your hanger for you.
That's fine.
Is this where we go in?
Yeah, you
Okay.
can go in there, huh?
Oh, I thought this was the part you were talking about. So there's more inside.
Oh, yes. I got
Oh.
lots. Lots.
Oh, man. Oh, boy.
Oh, it is
I
nice
got
and cool in here, I tell you.
Stevensville.
Smells good in here, too.
Stevensville's at.
All right, I think we're good.
You get those?
Yeah. All right, I think we're ready.
So how much is that?
So these are 8 plus 5.
That's 13.
Plus 4.
13, 17.
And then...
And 8 is 25.
Okay, perfect.
Gotta be able to do it in your head if you're running a garage sale.
Yeah.
There's 20. Let me find a 5 in here. There you go.
Okay.
Good luck with the rest of your sale.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Stay cool.
Yeah, I'm going to try. Big day.
Thank you. Hi there. How are you? Good. Y'all having a good sale?
So far it's been okay. Yeah, there's been a lot of people.
If you see anything you like, it's free.
You ready to get rid of it?
Yeah, my mother passed away, so we still got about 3/4 of the house to go through.
Oh my goodness. Well, I'm so sorry to hear that.
Yep.
You're just trying to get rid of stuff?
Well, my mom passed away, so we still got 3/4 of the house still to go through. So
Sorry to hear
we're just trying
to move things.
She was a geometry teacher, he said, and a part-time floral designer.
There you go.
I was thinking of these.
You read magazines at all, or know anybody that does?
Yeah, we might take some magazines.
Well, we've got Popular Mechanic magazines.
Okay.
All the way back to 1980.
Oh, we'll take those for sure. Trip. Those are pretty.
Let's set this right here for you.
All right.
I said they're all.
Oh, nice. All right, yeah, definitely take this.
What's this TI thing, honey?
What, honey?
What's this TI thing?
Oh, interactive. Yeah, that would be good.
Okay, grab that. Gold Star floating candles.
You want anything?
Oh, this is beautiful.
I'll start moving them over there then. Feel like I'm stealing.
Well, it's blessing y'all. So. We've been through the ringer the last couple of months. So.
So is your dad gonna stay in his house?
Yeah,
or?
he's going to stay. My sister moved from Oklahoma
Okay.
to help him out. And so she's going through things little by little. I think it's like our third sale we've had. And obviously once we finish going through, we'll do it again.
Yeah. That little pile right there, the one that says Mac, that's my pile.
Okay.
Yeah, that whole thing and this whole thing right here is all Christmas.
Okay. Oh, I see some more.
Yes.
Oh, I'm gonna help these work.
Yeah, May was not a good month for us.
Oh, it sounds like it was tough.
Well, my daughter was murdered May 1st.
Oh my
and mom
goodness.
passed away May 31st.
Oh my gosh, y'all have been through it.
Really pretty.
It's the hometown of Britain. I don't know if y'all been watching the news or anything, but back in May there was a big old slumber party massacre that happened.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and it was my daughter was involved in that.
Oh my goodness. No, I didn't see that.
Did they get the people and everything?
Well, so this man, anyways, killed his 3 stepkids, his wife, killed my daughter and a friend, and then killed himself.
Whoa.
And they come to find out he was a registered sex offender, but he was registered before internet started coming out.
So he wasn't.
He was in the national registry, but not the local,
Oh
not the
my
state.
gosh.
And then he offended while he was in, and they still let him get out. So in this last few months, I wrote a new law for the state of Oklahoma, and the governor has accepted it, and we're just waiting for them to go back to session.
That's awesome that you're doing something
So-
positive in her memory.
People in
Trying
town
to get
shouldn't
it
be
to
able
change. Because, yeah, he should have never,
How would you ever know?
yeah. So, and then next month, the lawsuit starts for the Department of Revenue. So, like I said, it's going to be a loop. Because they're going to try to deny it. Yeah, it's going to be a lengthy process, unfortunately. If they're still pulling up, they think more people are involved, kind of like a maybe sex ring maybe or something. So they lock down the case, and it's all, yeah, it's a bad deal. It's a bad deal.
So how old was your daughter?
15,
And what was her name?
Brittany.
Well, I'm so sorry for you. This is just awful.
Yeah, so it was a 13-year-old, 14-year-old, 15-year-old, 17, and I think 16. 5 all rode the same. He got in trouble while he was in there, and that Monday he had court to get locked back up, and he didn't. Okay, so I understand killing yourself, but why had to kill
Everybody else.
everybody else? That's just still doesn't.
He's just a naturally selfish person.
And then the police department did us wrong on notifying us and didn't clean up the scene and let us go in there and see all the restraints and everything. And it's a bad deal.
All right. I
Got
think
a
we've.
Facebook page. It's called Henrietta House of Horrors Massacre.
Wow.
So we've got over 3,000 people following us.
We'll go and look at that.
So yeah, it's
Well, we have a YouTube channel, and we go to garage sales and buy stuff and show people what we buy. And with your permission, we would like to share your website and try to get some recognition, maybe some support for you. Would you be okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I'll give you one of my cards.
Okay. Let me see if I can. Yeah. There's the.
Okay.
Everybody's talking about the case and all that stuff.
Yeah, that'll get you guys some recognition, hopefully.
And then we've got the Knights Law, but it's like Knights, Knights,
Okay.
and that's the law that we've got the governor of Oklahoma to accept, to change, where any offenders have to serve 100% of their time.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Because he got out for good behavior,
Right.
but yet he really didn't have good behavior because he had several cases while he was in.
Right. Well, and you can't
He got in
rehabilitate
trouble
people
for-
like that. I
Yeah,
mean, it's an
so-
incredible story, and I'm so sorry that you had to go through that.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.